Today I'll be unboxing the Eufy robot cleaning machine. I will be unboxing it and setting up all the parts. It covered, as you can see, a tower unit and many other parts. This robot can do self-cleaning, auto follow. That means it will follow you and go to where you want it to clean. It also map out the house, the entire house, to know where to go and where not to go. You can even set up boundaries at places it should not go, like down the stairs, for instance. Well, stick around and enjoy the video. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing a vacuum cleaner. This vacuum cleaner is the X10 Pro Omni. Is a good one. It have a self-cleaning, self-drying, and self-emptying station. So follow me as I unbox this vacuum. Again, it's the X10 Pro Omni. Look at it. So the manual is on top. It comes with several different pieces. You have to fit it together after pulling them out of the compartments. This is the cord. Station. And this is the vacuum. I'm not sure if it comes charged up, but it might have a little juice in it to start up. Got a plastic covering over it for protection, so these have to be removed in order for it to work properly. Now to take out the station. So you have a tank for the clean water and a tank for the dirty water. And this is for the dust and dirt and all moisture from the floor. And can you see that? No? Need some light. Come this side. That is a cleaning station. It has some holes in the bottom there, and when the vacuum comes in for cleaning, it hot water and clean the bottom. Look at these wheels. As you can see, it will lift itself up to go over edges and obstacles. And when you're going over the carpet, the brush will go up. It will go, see it comes out, it will go all the way in. Especially if there's dirt on it and it's going over the carpet, it will retract the brushes, and no dirt will get on the carpet. So we're going to try it out. After we set it up, we're gonna come back. So catch you later. Now that we have set it up to charge for a bit, I will be downloading the app on the phone and then get the communication going between my phone and the vacuum. So I'll catch you later. Now that we have charged the robot, download the app on the phone, we will be doing a short test of it following the order of the app. So, just to recap, this Eufy robot, it is self-cleaning, self-washing of the mops, and it also do self-dumping of the dirt inside of the vacuum. It has auto follow. It will follow you to the room that you want it to clean and follow. So this is the auto follow. It will follow you and keep you in its sight. It does mopping and cleaning. For the first time, it also mops the whole floor of the house to know what is where and where to go and where all the doors are. It search and find out where the kitchen, the living room, the washrooms are, and also the bedrooms, and it stores that in memory. This one, it has two brushes at the bottom. One, two. It has the vacuum cleaner and the brushes. It has a side brush to pick up the dirt in the corner. Also, as said earlier, the wheels will go in and out to lift it up over obstacles. It will not bounce into anything on the floor. If you put a glass of water there, it goes up to it and then turn out of it. Hit this obstacle. As I said, it will not hit anything. If the machine senses that it is not on the ground, it will automatically shut down. Now we'll do a short test of the robot. Here we go. Is finding its location to remember where to go and where to come back to. Now it starts to mop. As you see, it will go in the corners, and that little brush at the side, it will start to take out the rubber. So now after the short test, now we're going to send it back to the base. It will also allow you to schedule the cleaning, so you can leave for the day and set it to clean a certain time and you can feel cool. But one thing though, you need to move obstacles out of the way for it to work. Okay. Now each time it goes back to the base, it dumps the dirt and the dirty water, and then it will take back up clean water into it. And thank you folks for watching. This is the DFS unboxing. So I'll catch you in the next video.